We're going to the Philippines. We're going to the Philippines. Woo, woo. We made it to Puerto Princesa Airport. After 3 flights, now we hop on a bus and go to El Nido.
24 hours later.
We made it! 25 hours later, we made it. We are in Palawan! Yay! Okay, we're trying this. What is it called?
El Nido, more specifically.
El Nido of Palawan.
This is a panda coco
Panda coco. Apparently it's like
with coconut.
a traditional thing that you have to eat.
Really good.
Mmm!
Coconut.
Oh my gosh! Hi, Korea. I miss you, kimchi. Hey, friends. We just had a little snack and a drink at what was it called? Cafe Athena, right on the beach. It was really cute. Drinks were, you know what? Here we've had the limiest drinks I've ever had. Look at that cat up there. Oh my gosh. I thought it was too. Like normally we don't get enough lime, but here they give you way too much lime, so it was very limey.
Entire lime in one drink, so you don't taste anything else.
Yeah.
Was there alcohol? I don't know.
Not sure. But yeah, now we're just walking around doing a little shopping. We just tried to save a sick dog. I don't really want to talk about that. We are just gonna, I don't know, what are we gonna do now?
We're just gonna walk around, go back to our hotel and book we want to do a boat tour to the islands, and then we are gonna do a hike the next day. We're gonna take a ferry to Coron Island the next day. So we just have to book all that.
She knows what's up. We also tried this like traditional pastry with like coconut on the inside. It was so good. We're gonna go get more.
5 pesos. Probably like 10 cents.
But yeah, we're probably gonna get some more of those because they were delicious and so cheap.
100. I was like, this little hummus plate could have got us 100 panda cocos, Cece.
It's not like expensive here, but it's just a little bit.
Vietnam prices, so it's a little more expensive.
Everything in Vietnam was like $1. Everything here is like $4.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit more, but it's not too bad still. Yay, okay, maybe we should turn around.
Yeah, we're going the wrong way, huh?
Oh well. Okay, let's explore El Nido's little town. just chilling at the beach. It's gorgeous. And we're trying the ceviche here. They make it with vinegar instead of lime juice. So we're gonna give it a try. Vinegar. Oh! Jesus. We made a dog friend that keeps following us around. And she's accumulated friends. There they go. That was so cute! Oh my god. All the doggos. Hey! Thank you!
The brochetta and the vegetable curry.
Look at these freaking elephant ears. Let's zoom out. Oh, look at that. Here's me next to the large elephant ears. I love you. So big. It's crazy huge. What the heck? So close. Trying to see. Tour today. We're going to the islands, some islands. We're gonna do some kayaking, swimming, snorkeling, all the fun stuff.
Oh my god, yesterday I drank, today I'm gonna drink.
So beautiful! Oh my god! I feel like I'm in a screensaver. So beautiful! Traditional Filipino style eating with your hands.
A full ass plate. We hungry.
So grateful to be here. Oh my gosh. It's been such a beautiful day. Now we're gonna rent these kayaks and go through this lagoon. I'm so excited. So happy. Yes, we out here on the canoe, the lagoon. Once again, so
kayaks.
So many kayaks. Look at this clear water. You can see right through it.
Make sure not to. Cece, a paddle.
Hey friends, sorry about like the shitty quality, but my phone's wet and it won't dry. So I can't, I've just been wet all day. And I keep trying to wipe the cameras, but they just are still wet. But we are just on this beach. It's the last stop on our boat tour today. It was so much fun. We got to go snorkeling, we got to go kayaking, we got to go swimming, we got to play volleyball, to eat such good food, and we're definitely ready to head back soon, but it's so beautiful. I'm so grateful to be here, and it's just amazing. I literally feel like I'm living inside of a screensaver. The sand is so soft and squishy underneath your toes. The water is the bluest you've ever seen and the clearest you've ever seen. And now we have a sunset. So gorgeous. And it even poured rain on us, and we're just like in the ocean, in the rain. It's been soaking wet all day long, but it's so gorgeous. I'm so grateful and happy to be here. It's just been such a day of play and fun and laughter and joy and peace. All the good things about life, you know? Just so happy. So incredibly grateful for this life that I get to live. It's amazing. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. And this boat tour wasn't even expensive. It was like 30 bucks. And look where I am. Like, what? It's amazing. Ugh. I love it here. We're staying at Outpost hostel in El Nido, Palawan. And it's great. We've met so many awesome people. The staff is so amazing and friendly. It's a really good price. It's literally right on the beach, and this is the tour that you get to go on for 30 bucks. Come to Palawan. See you guys in Shargo. I can't fucking say it. See you guys in Shargo.